here too, it's important to understand that Pilate has another option, and that is he could triangulate a situation. And I think that's what he intends to do. He questions the legality of the action of the Jewish crowd. At the same time, he's questioning Jesus on his identity as well. And he would love to kind of get this to a place where everybody goes home, and including Jesus. And he's not able to get there. And I think what's remarkable about John 18 and 19 is that who is, in that encounter with Pilate, and that's got two stages to it. One is pre-flogging and one is post-flogging. Who's the unanxious presence? Jesus. He's the unanxious presence. Pilate is not able to triangulate the situation. Jesus won't stand up for himself. He won't call out the crowd necessarily. He also takes up the subject of authority there and reminds Pilate who the real boss is. Was that comforting to Pilate? I don't think it was, because just prior to that it says that Pilate became even more fearful of a possible encounter with the divine that wasn't going to work out so well, is the way I've heard that explained. But at the end of the day, when Jesus says, "Therefore he who handed me over to you is guilty of the greater sin," I don't think that's terribly comforting to Pilate. I don't know if Pilate even wanted to countenance the idea that he was sinning, but he had to do something essentially unjust. He had to give in to the crowd because Jesus was not making a case in defense of himself. And that little comment about authority, I think, plays pretty nicely with everything else you hear Jesus say about authority, because his authority was going to be to lay down his life and take it up again. And God was going to use his authority through Pilate to see to it that happened. There's not, interestingly, much of a resolution of the conflict short of Jesus' resurrection from the dead. That does it. That resolves it once and for all. And by the way, for you and me too. In our conflict against sin, death, and the power of the devil, that resolves it once and for all. It is finished at the cross, proclaimed publicly from the empty tomb. And